The question says that a negligibly small current is passing through a wire of length 15 meter and uniform cross section of 6 into 10 to the power minus 7 meters square, and its resistance is measured to be 5 ohm. What is the resistivity of the material at the temperature of the experiment? So we have to find out the resistivity in this question, and we know that resistivity is related to the resistance as R equals to R as the resistance is equals to resistivity rho multiplied by length of the conductor divided by area, cross-section area of the conductor. Now resistivity of a material is a material specific property that quantifies how strongly a given material opposes the flow of electric current. It is represented by rho, as we saw in this expression. Now in this question we have been given the length, that is 15 meter, cross-section area we have been given, and resistance is given 5 ohm. Unknown is the resistivity rho, so it can be easily found by rearranging this formula. So rearranging and substituting the values, we will get a value of resistivity as 2 into 10 to the power minus 7 ohm meter. Thank you.